Today we'll be making this tasty githeri, and I can bet you've not used this recipe before. Wondering what I'm talking about? Let's get right into the video. You'll need your well-cooked githeri, 1 onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, dhania stalks, hoho, coriander, some githeri masala, turmeric, and salt. Under moderate heat, place your cooking pot and add your oil. I prefer using ghee or coconut oil or olive oil because they are very healthy for human consumption. Once your oil has heated up, add your githeri and cover and let it fry for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes are done, you can either stir your githeri or shake. As you can see, you will note that your githeri has started browning, and that is the reason why we started frying it. After that, you add some little oil because it is at this point whereby we're going to add some onions and garlic. You can blend your ingredients, that is the onions and the rest. For me, I did not because my blender broke down, but it's the best actually while blending your ingredients. But still, if you can chop them, it will still work. After you let your onions cook for like 3 minutes or so, it's now time to add your tomatoes, dhania stalks, and your hoho and let them cook for like 5 minutes. I let my tomatoes and hoho simmer for like 5 minutes, and as you can see, they are already well cooked. And now it's time to add your salt, your spices. Now that is the githeri masala and the turmeric, and let them cook for like another 3 or so minutes. Please note, I'm cooking my food under medium heat. You can use the same or even use low heat, because we don't want our food to stick to the pan because you're frying the githeri. So once you've noted that everything else is cooked well, the tomatoes, the hoho, now it's time to add your coriander. And it is at this point whereby I just turn off my cooker and like stir well the coriander and the githeri and let it like sit for a minute or even 2 before I serve. And voila, our food is ready to serve. I had already prepared some cabbage, and so I'll be serving it with that and some avocado. These are the things that I do not like in my plate. Some vegetables and fats you will never lack in my plate. And there we have it, our tantalizing, delicious githeri. Remember to watch your portions if you're losing weight, because remember that abs are made in the kitchen. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Kindly give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.